Hey, what's up? A little update. It's probably a little loud with the ocean, but basically still near the town I was at, Masunte. I'm at a close by beach called Ventania, and I'm basically coming out here because it's very desolate, deserted, and the beach here just goes on for miles with pretty much no one on it. So I'm planning to just isolate myself and try to water fast for as long as possible. I mean, my hope is like 14 days, but we'll see, or just until this water runs out. And so behind me, where that sort of like cliff area is at, that's where I'm coming from. And I've probably still got, I kind of hiked out here a few days ago to find a good spot, and most of it over here is like private property. It's like coconut farm, and so I'm not going to stay there, but if you go out far enough, there's kind of like an area that's like no man's land, and there's just like nothing out here. So yeah, I just got kind of like this beach umbrella, because it's basically the only shade that I'm gonna have, and I'm just gonna sit under it and lay down, drink water, swim in the ocean, and be with myself. It might not be for 2 weeks, but that's my goal. And yeah, I've still probably got it at least like 2 miles before I actually hit the spot that I am going to. So yeah, carrying this water is a little bit, yeah, not easy, but I'm glad that it'll be empty on my walk back. So that's what I'm up to right now. Okay, so I just made it to the spot that I plan on camping out at. Yeah, it's just kind of like this open area. Like right behind me is like the big coconut farm, and this is kind of the end of that. And here in Ventania, there's like some rivers, literally like back towards town. There's like swamp environments, and there's actually crocodiles. The river is right over there, so it's like fresh river water. It's kind of like this really beautiful green oasis, because everything before this back there is like a desert environment, and then you just come up on this river with all this lush greenery. So yeah, I'm gonna try and camp out here for a while, and all I have is my hammock without a bug net or a tarp, and I've got a bivy sack, which is basically just a little sack that you can stuff your sleeping bag in, and you just like sleep in it. And then I just have that little like umbrella sticking up there, which doesn't provide much shade. So anyways, yeah, but there's crocodiles that live in the river, especially towards town in the swampy areas. So I was thinking it'd be cool to hang up a hammock, but I'd have to do it near the river, and I'm afraid of crocodiles eating me, or just the thought of them keeping me up at night if I am too close to the river. So yeah, I don't know, I've slept on beaches in Mexico before, and it's kind of nice just to sleep in the open air. Just put a towel down and use like my sleeping bag. It's usually what I enjoy. And so let's see, town, if you can see that cliff, like that sort of mountainish area, that's how far town is. So that's where I walked from, and I don't even know how far it goes this way, but there's like this little settlement. It's crazy. There's like a few people living over there in the river, and there's just people like camping out there. I don't really know what it's about, but that's like the closest people around here for miles. Otherwise the beach just goes on that way for miles. I don't know how long, and it's probably at least 2 or 3 miles to get here. Alright, so that's what's happening for me today. And in an hour will actually be my first day of the fast completed. I haven't eaten anything since 7 o'clock, or I stopped eating at 7 o'clock last night, and in 1 hour it'll be 7 o'clock. So this is basically the first day of the water fast, and tomorrow will be day 2. And that's what I'm up to right now. And I'll probably make more videos, just kind of documenting the fast and what I'm doing during it. Talk with you guys in the next one. See ya.